Good morning, Clearbrow, North Dallas. 2018 LC500, full front Expel Ultimate Plus. Next to it, a 2021 LC500. That's going to be with a full wrap Expel Ultimate Plus. So let's go over these real quick. So it'll take up a lot of time, but just showing you what you should be looking for is all these edges wrapped, so there's no lines out to here. We've been getting a lot of cars in. Usually throughout the week, we always see it. Cars will be wrapped to here and it'll be a crooked line. You're looking for perfection in this. You want this product, here's the line right here, we can't wrap in here. You want that very tight up against here. You don't want it out here. Coming up here, everything's all wrapped in. The full hood, wrapped in with no markings, meaning it goes in as clear as the hood is. This car has a few miles on it, so there's a few marks on the hood from rocks, but nothing major. Here's a it's hard to see. There's a rock hit right there, but no touch-up was required for this client. He wasn't concerned about that. Just picked it up pre-owned, certified pre-owned, and just wanted to protect what he has right now. And the car's in great shape for an LC500. And there it is. So full front, bumper, headlights, the Lexus emblem gets covered, full fenders. Everything wrapping into the hood. So from the engine hood, fender, all wrap into this area. We get up top here, all this wraps in. It wraps in behind here, around here, and then obviously from the fender into the door. All that wraps in. We did the rockers. So let's check those out real quick. All this is all one piece, wrapping into this vent. All the way down below, wrapping into the door. It's just the right way to do it. That whole sill gets covered. And then coming around the back side, we did a little work for the guy back here as well, coming around and wrapping that. So there it is, 2018 LC500. Let's go over to this vehicle, 2021 LC500. This 2021 LC500 was a full wrap. We come around this side on the fenders, just like that one there. We'll go around and show you all the areas we wrapped. So let's take a look here real quick. So coming around the fender, the hood, everything gets wrapped in. Everything's looking good. Coming around this side, everything's great. Coming into the doors, nice and clear, no markings on the film. So everything's nice and clear. When you get up on these hoods, you want to make sure that everything is nice and glossy. No markings at all. Let's come around the side here and check out the doors and our 8 pillars. We put the top back, wrapping in around here and running our line tight to this rubber. And then again, coming in and wrapping down below. Doors getting wrapped in, wrapping in all this around these vents. And then coming in our gaslit area, obviously wrapping in there. And then much more of that around the trunk in the rear bumper area. And we'll finish up coming around this side, much more of the same thing. Nice clean install with the Expel Ultimate Plus. So there you go. You guys got any questions? clearbrownorthdallas.com, or you can reach me direct at 940-703-8301 for these two cars. I'll go over this 911 later, a 2021 full car, and we can talk about that. Thank you much. Have a great day.